everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make this beautiful crochet cutthroat necklace. It's a kind of Halloween costume accessories. It looks like it's horrible, but I have to explain, as if cutthroat and the blood is leaking like this. The theme is like this. The pattern is very easy, dear friends. I will explain everything in detail. In 15 minutes, 20 minutes, you can finish it easily. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. We need cotton yarn for this project, dear friends. If you don't have cotton yarn, of course you can make it with acrylic also, but I'm preferring cotton yarn. This is 100% cotton and 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. This is also okay. And 2.5 millimeters hook, scissors, and a darning needle. First of all, we are going to start by making chains. The chain length will be according to the size of our neck. First of all, take some yarn, wrap it around your neck and see what size of chain length you need. I made this length according to me. Okay, by making chains, let's start. I'm taking my yarn in my hand and first of all making a knot like this, pulling, and then upon this I am making chains. Chain length will be according to the size of my neck. Like this, I'm making chains. I'm not counting the chain because the important is the chain length should be suitable to the size of my neck. Okay, let's go on making chains. Yes, I made some chains. Of course, this chain is not according to the size of my neck, because I'm making this video in order to show how you are going to make this necklace, because I have already made the necklace before. Now I will show you how you are going to make it. For this reason, this is small for my neck, but you should make the chains longer than me according to the size of your neck. Okay, yes, after making enough chains, you are making one chain more and going to the following stitch, making a single crochet, going to the following stitch, one moment, like this, making a single crochet, going to the following stitch, making another single crochet, one moment, like this. Yes, one by one we will insert our hook in each following stitch and we are going to make single stitches, dear friends. Like this, as you see, in each following stitch I'm inserting my hook, making a single stitch. Like this, we are completing this first row. I came to the end of the row. Of course, your chain will be longer than me. This is just a sample in order to show you. For this reason, it is short. Later on, I am making one chain and cutting the yarn because we are finished with this part. For this reason, just cutting. Later on, we are going to make these leaking parts. Like this. Meanwhile, let me tell you how many centimeters is my necklace. I am measuring it for you from one side to the other. It is, one moment, it is 36 centimeters, dear friends. I made this necklace as 36 centimeters. Of course, it is suitable to my neck size. Okay, I am taking my yarn again. We are starting a bit inside it. Let me show you. We are going to make these leaking parts. I'm not starting in the first stitch. We are not starting at the beginning. Let me measure it. I am starting, yes, 6 centimeters I am leaving, and I'm starting here. This is 6 centimeters. I'm not making anything here. I'm starting after 6 centimeters. It is really very easy, dear friends. Okay, in order to show you as a sample, I am leaving some place. Consider this as 6 centimeters. Starting here, I am leaving some yarn, like 5 or 6 centimeters, no matter, like this. Leaving, keeping this, okay, like this, and like this, making one chain, yarn over, making second chain, yarn over, making third chain. That's enough. Making one chain. Let's make one more chain, and leaving some more chain here as well. Now I am going to pulling it. Now we can cut it like this. Regarding this one, I am going to hide it with the help of a small size hook, or you can use a darning needle. Let's use darning needle to hide it. What I am doing, inserting my needle firstly, like this, and inserting the yarn through the hole of the needle, pulling this like this to the side. I will do it. And inserting the yarn through the needle hole as well. Like this, and pulling again. Yes, we can cut it now. First leaking part is okay. We are going to make the second. The blood leaking parts will be irregular, dear friends. There is no regular term. Some of them will be shorter like this, some of them will be longer. In some of them you can leave some yarn. In some of them you will cut it in the end. That's all. It's completely irregular. It should be like this, because in order to give a bloody shape. Yes, I am skipping 2 chains, inserting my hook in the third one. Again, I am leaving some yarn. I am going to make a few chains, but one making chains, we are making like this, pull through, 2, 3, 4, and making 2 chains and cutting. This time I made a bit longer, and taking like this, I'm pulling this, and after pulling tightly, I can cut it. The second leaking part finished. I am also cutting this one in the end. Okay, look, it's been like this. Once again, I will show you. I am leaving some yarn. It's all going on like this, dear friends. Inserting my hook beside it, leaving some yarn. Making chains, first of all, like this, pull through, making a chain, pull through, making a chains, pull through, making a chains, and 1, 2, 3 chains I'm making. This time I'm going to leave some yarn like this. Here, for example, I left some yarn. I will do it, pulling it firstly, and of course this is too much. I am cutting the other yarn end. Okay, yes, it's be like this, dear friends. You can start beside it, or you can give some space and you can go on from here. Smaller, longer, you can do like this. There is no regular shape as here, as you see. Some of them are longer, some of them are shorter. That's completely depends your imaginations, how you want it to look. And like this, you are finishing the necklace. That's all what you are going to do. If you have a button, you can sew a button in the edge, and at the other edge you can make a small space with the chains. But if you don't have a button, of course you can make a few chains in this side, and you can make some more chains in this side, and you can tie it with chains. You can make laces as well. Okay, dear friends, that's all what you are going to do. The pattern is very easy, but during the Halloween time, it's a nice costume accessories. It looks like as it's cutthroat and bloody. It's horrible, but as a result, we are in a spooky time. Okay, dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials. I'll be happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos in order to support me for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's see in the coming videos.